14 reads, the highest price any consumer is willing to pay to buy a purse is $60. Currently, the price of the purse is $40. The lowest price for which any producer is willing to sell a purse is $10. The producer's surplus from another purse is... So for this question, we're trying to find the producer surplus. And you can do this two ways. You can either just do the math, or you can visualize it a little bit better through a graph. So we'll do the graph just to visualize it. So currently $40 is the price. The highest price that a consumer is willing to pay is $60, and the lowest price that the producer is willing to sell at is $10. This is a little bit of a trick question in that it gives you more information that you actually need. It's asking you for the producer surplus, so you really don't need to know what the highest price the consumer is willing to pay for it, because we're not looking for a consumer surplus and we're not looking for a total surplus, which are the only two things that we would need this information for. So we can pretty much disregard this and just focus on this right here. And if we remember what the producer surplus is, it's the price actually paid minus the lowest price for which the producer is actually willing to pay. So and if we remember the we imagine that the supply and demand curves look something like this. We remember that, and there's a little bit off, should be around here. We remember that this whole area is the producer surplus, so that's why the graph makes it a little bit easier to visualize. But basically all you really have to do in this case is subtract 10 from 40, and that is the producer surplus for that next item from another purse. It's not asking you for the total producer surplus. That would be a different question. For the total producer surplus, you would have to actually look and do the math. You would have to figure out what the quantity is, so that then you can do your area of the triangle formula to figure out what the total producer surplus would be. But it's only asking what the producer surplus from another purse is. So you really only have to think of it is in terms of quantity of one. So in this case, that quantity would be, that answer would be $30, which is answer choice B.